Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look. This is an extra glam makeup look where I have created brown bold eye and brown bold lip. So yeah, if you like this look then please keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to tone my skin with the best toner I have. Though I will mention all the product details in my description box below. If you need it, please go and check it out there. Next I'm using Wet n Wild primer, which is like must use product whenever you're applying any makeup on your face. And this is the concealer from Maybelline, which I'm just applying on my dark circle and on my dark spots wherever I have. Blending with the very nice beauty blender. I prefer using beauty blender than the brush, and this is the wet beauty blender which I use. So now everything we have to just blend properly. Now I'll be mixing these two foundations together and I'll be applying on my base. So mixing two foundations always gives me better result than applying a single foundation. So here one foundation has little bit of coverage capacity and the other has little bit of illuminator in it, and it really gives you a very nice result. And here I'll be using the same wet beauty blender to use my compact powder. So it doesn't give you a very matte look, it will give you a very nice finished look. And now the turn comes for the eyebrow. So eyebrow I'm doing it from Luster Beauty palette and it has really nice shades in it. Next I'll be doing my eye makeup. I'm using this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes, which has again amazing shades in it. So here I'll be taking brown shades and applying on my crease line. Now picking up the another shade from the same palette. So this shade again I am going to apply on my crease area. Now I'll be picking up this brownish golden shade. This has a little bit of shimmer which I'm going to apply on my mid of the eyelid. Next I'm going to pick this pink shade. This shade also has shimmer. After applying this shade I'll be getting a very nice rose gold effect. You can see my eyes. Look how beautiful the shade comes. Applying this shade to brighten up a little more. Look, it gives really wow look to this. Using the angled brush to give a shape to my eyes. So here I'm going to use only black eyeshadow. I'm not going to use any liquid eyeliner or any pencil eyeliner today. I'm just going to use black eyeshadow to give a shape to my eyes. I'm going to make a wing with the help of this brush itself. Next I'm using this Oriflame Kajal. This is really very pigmented Kajal. I started using since 3 or 4 months. It's really nice. Later I'm going to smudge my Kajal with the eyeshadow. So I'm taking the brown shade and I'm smudging my Kajal with the help of this. Using the eyelashes from Hudabeauty. This is 3D eyelashes and it really looks natural. Little bit of contouring is really needed. So I'm just doing that. Now the turn comes for the blusher and the highlighter. So this is the Oriflame blusher which I'm using here. It's amazing. And the highlighter which I'm using, it's from Savannah, which I got it from India. So I'm using it on my brow bone, on my bridge of the nose, on my cheekbone, on my chin. Next I'm going to outline my lip. So this is the lip liner from Hudabeauty. This is the darker brown shade. This is the darker brown shade lipstick from MAC. This is the matte lipstick. Unfortunately I forgot the number, so I will mention in the description box below. If you want, please go and check it out there. Look how beautiful the shade is. Now I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter on my lip. So yeah, I'm almost done. And this is my final look, and this look really goes well with the front bang, isn't it? I hope you like this look, and I hope you like this video. If you like, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.